Is Motor Toys. So we're gonna do a real quick introduction. Make a long story short, the motor on the 1515 Typhon burned up because of an issue with the speed control. Did some testing, we found that out. So we went ahead and took this as an opportunity to upgrade to 8S. Guys, this is the first standard size Typhon I'm putting on 8S. It's a 1717 motor, so it's making close to 10 horsepower on 8S. We got it connected with cap packs and the Mamba Monster X 8S ESC. It does have an external BEC setup. I don't have that connected yet. I want to see how it runs first without that, but that is there and ready. Motor fan, and of course we got the sensor wire there, also not connected, but there if we need it. We're on 6S Graphenes, brand new. We got the GPS on. We're just going to do a little pull and see how it feels. I have a feeling this thing is going to be a monster. We're on 34, 36 gears. No reason on 8S all in it shouldn't be a 140 to 150 mile an hour car. So let's go.
Clear.
That's
Great.
92. Yeah. Yeah. So
Did you get all in?
for a second I did. But here's the key, guys. The motor is barely warm. And when I say barely,
Really smooth.
yeah, dude, the ESC is not even breathing. My fan on the ESC hasn't even kicked on. So the gearing is, I need to go up probably realistically another 5 to 10 teeth.